Exploring Milan, a city brimming with style, history, and culture, can be an exhilarating adventure. Here's a list of 27 things to do in Milan that will ensure your visit is unforgettable. Duomo di Milano. Imagine standing before a colossal marble masterpiece, the Duomo, with its intricate spires reaching towards the sky like lacework. Inside, the vast echoing space bathes in a kaleidoscope of light, filtering through stained glass windows. The rooftop walk offers a panoramic vista of Milan's bustling streets against the backdrop of the Alps. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Stepping into this grand shopping arcade feels like entering a palace of commerce. The glass-domed ceiling arches majestically overhead, casting a golden glow on the mosaic-tiled floor. Luxurious boutiques and elegant cafes offer a taste of Milanese sophistication. Sforza Castle. This imposing fortress, with its robust walls and towers, is a treasure trove of art and history. Each room unfolds tales from Milan's past, adorned with frescoes and sculptures, leading you through centuries of splendor and intrigue. Santa Maria del Grazie and the Last Supper. In a quiet, unassuming refectory, you'll find one of the world's most famous murals, The Last Supper. Leonardo's masterpiece is a study in perspective and emotion, capturing a pivotal moment in history with stunning realism. Brera Art Gallery. Wander through rooms lined with masterpieces of Italian art. Each painting, from Raphael's serene Madonnas to Caravaggio's dramatic scenes, tells a story, enveloping you in the rich tapestry of Italian art history. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more similar content. Navigli District. Imagine meandering along ancient canals at sunset, the water reflecting the warm glow of streetlights. The air buzzes with conversation from the lively bars and restaurants that line the banks, offering a taste of Milan's vibrant nightlife. Teatro alla Scala. The opulent red and gold interior of La Scala takes your breath away. The hush before the curtain rises is palpable, followed by the explosion of music and drama from world-class performers, encapsulating the soul of Italian opera. San Siro Stadium. Feel the electric atmosphere of this legendary stadium during a match. The roar of the crowd, the passion for the game, and the spirit of rivalry come alive in this temple of football. Milan Fashion Week. The city transforms into a runway, where fashion comes alive on the streets. Designers, models, and celebrities create a whirlwind of style and glamour, offering a glimpse into the cutting edge of fashion. Quadrilatero della Moda. Stroll through this fashion district where luxury brands display their latest creations in elegant boutiques. The window displays are works of art, showcasing the pinnacle of design and craftsmanship. Parco Sempione. Imagine a green oasis in the heart of the city. This sprawling park offers a tranquil escape with meandering paths, a picturesque pond, and the majestic Arch of Peace at its edge. Milan Cathedral Museum. Delve into the history behind the Duomo, exploring centuries-old sculptures, tapestries, and architectural models. Each artifact tells a part of the story of this magnificent cathedral. Pinacoteca di Brera. Another haven for art lovers, this gallery's collection encompasses the evolution of Italian art, with each room revealing a different era and style. From medieval religious works to Renaissance masterpieces. Milan Science and Technology Museum. This interactive museum brings science to life. From vintage trains to space exploration exhibits, it's a journey through human innovation and ingenuity. La Triennale di Milano. Step into the future of design and art in this modern museum. The exhibits are thought-provoking, showcasing contemporary trends and challenging our perceptions of art and design. Vertical Forest. These unique towers, cloaked in greenery, are a testament to modern eco-friendly architecture. The lush balconies create a vertical garden in the heart of the city. Fondazione Prada. This avant-garde space, with its gold leaf-covered tower and unconventional exhibits, is a hub for contemporary art and culture, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Corso Como. A trendy street pulsating with the energy of Milanese nightlife. Chic bars and fashionable clubs are interspersed with boutiques, offering a taste of Milan's stylish and sophisticated evening scene. Basilica di Sant'Ambrogio. This ancient church, with its Romanesque architecture, offers a serene retreat. The hallowed halls, adorned with ancient relics and frescoes, resonate with centuries of devotion and history. Leonardo da Vinci. National Museum of Science and Technology. Dedicated to the Renaissance genius, this museum offers an in-depth look at Leonardo's diverse talents, from his artistic masterpieces to his visionary inventions. Piazza Gay Aulenti. This modern square represents Milan's contemporary face. Surrounded by futuristic skyscrapers and innovative designs, it's a hub of urban energy and creativity. Villa Necchi Campiglio. Step back in time in this elegant villa, a perfectly preserved example of 1930s luxury. The Art Deco interiors and lush gardens offer a glimpse into the lifestyle of Milan's wealthy elite. Exploring Milan, a city brimming with style, history, and culture, can be an exhilarating adventure. Acquario Civico. Dive into an underwater world in this historic aquarium. The tanks teem with colorful marine life, offering a fascinating insight into aquatic ecosystems. Cimitero Monumentale. More than a cemetery, this is an open-air museum. Majestic tombs and sculptures created by renowned artists tell the stories of Milan's illustrious residents in stone and marble. Palazzo Reale. Hosting a rotating array of international exhibitions, this royal palace is a cultural hotspot where art and history come together in grandeur. Milano Centrale. Not just a train station, but an architectural marvel. Its grand facade and vast halls, adorned with Art Deco details, make it a grand gateway to the city. Street art tour. Discover Milan's vibrant street art scene. Murals and graffiti transform ordinary walls into a canvas of urban expression, revealing the city's dynamic and creative spirit. In Milan, every corner tells a story and every experience is a brushstroke in a vivid portrait of this magnificent Italian city. Be prepared to be enchanted by its history, culture, and undeniable style.